Hello, home cooks. Are you tired of the same old dinner routine, staring into the fridge wondering what to make yet again? Do you crave delicious, satisfying meals that don't demand hours of your precious time? You are definitely not alone. The weeknight dinner dilemma is a universal challenge, but what if I told you there's a simple, magical solution? It's a way to transform humble ingredients into exciting, family-friendly meals with minimal effort. Get ready to discover the power of meatball magic. Our meatball magic approach is all about taking store-bought meatballs, a true kitchen hero, and elevating them into versatile, satisfying dinners. We're talking about meals that taste like you spent all day cooking, but come together in a flash. This strategy is perfect for anyone with a busy schedule, whether you're juggling work, school, or family activities. It's also a fantastic secret weapon for those with picky eaters at the table. Meatballs are universally loved, and with our tips, you can customize them to suit every palate. Our core principles are simple. Leverage the convenience of pre-made meatballs, pair them with quick and easy sides, and elevate everything with simple, flavorful sauces. This isn't just about making dinner. It's about making dinner enjoyable, stress-free, and utterly delicious. Let's unlock the magic together. The true beauty of meatball magic begins with its foundation, store-bought meatballs. These convenient little wonders are the ultimate shortcut, providing a ready-to-go protein base that saves you so much time and effort. Think of them as your culinary blank canvas, waiting to be transformed. The variety available today is incredible, catering to every taste and dietary need. You can choose classic beef meatballs, savory pork, lighter chicken or turkey options, and even fantastic vegetarian or plant-based meatballs. Each type offers a unique flavor profile, allowing for endless culinary exploration. By starting with pre-made meatballs, you completely bypass the time-consuming steps of mixing, seasoning, and rolling. This means less mess, less prep, and more time to focus on crafting a complete, balanced, and delicious meal. It's about working smarter, not harder in the kitchen. This convenience doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or quality. Many store-bought meatballs are made with excellent ingredients and seasoned perfectly, ready to absorb the flavors of your chosen sauce and sides. They are a budget-friendly and reliable option for any busy weeknight. Now let's talk about elevating the meal, and this is where the real magic happens. While meatballs and pasta are a classic pairing, we're going to move beyond tradition and explore a vibrant array of quick and easy sides. These additions will transform your meal from good to absolutely unforgettable. For healthy and flavorful options, consider roasted vegetables. Broccoli florets, colorful bell peppers, zucchini, or cherry tomatoes can be tossed with a little olive oil and herbs, then roasted until tender and slightly caramelized. A simple green salad with a light vinaigrette is another refreshing choice, adding crunch and freshness. When it comes to comforting carbohydrate choices, there are so many delicious alternatives to traditional pasta. Creamy polenta, with its rich texture, makes a wonderful bed for saucy meatballs. Fluffy couscous or quinoa are quick-cooking grains that absorb flavors beautifully. And of course, a crusty loaf of bread is always a winner, perfect for soaking up every last drop of that delicious sauce. The possibilities for customization are truly endless. You can tailor your sides to your family's preferences, dietary needs, or whatever fresh ingredients you have on hand. This flexibility ensures that every meatball magic meal feels fresh and exciting. This sauce is truly the heart and soul of your meatball magic experience. It's what personalizes the dish, infusing your store-bought meatballs with incredible flavor and transforming them into something truly special. Don't underestimate the power of a great sauce to tie everything together. Of course, a classic marinara sauce is always a winner, offering that comforting, familiar taste everyone loves. But I encourage you to be adventurous and experiment with new flavors. Don't be afraid to try something different. Your taste buds will thank you. Imagine a creamy pesto sauce, bringing bright, herbaceous notes to your meatballs, or a spicy arrabbiata sauce for those who love a little kick. You could even create a rich, slow-cooked bolognese, allowing the meatballs to simmer and absorb all those wonderful flavors. Even with pre-made meatballs, these sauces can make your meal taste gourmet. To enhance the flavor even further, always consider adding fresh herbs. A sprinkle of fresh basil, oregano, or parsley just before serving can brighten the entire dish and add a professional touch. A squeeze of lemon juice can also lift and balance the flavors beautifully. The benefits of embracing meatball magic extend far beyond just a delicious dinner. First and foremost is the incredible speed and efficiency it brings to your kitchen. You can have a complete, satisfying meal on the table in under 30 minutes, freeing up your evenings for other activities. This is a game changer for busy weeknights. Another key advantage is the unparalleled flexibility and adaptability. Meatball magic makes it incredibly easy to adjust for various dietary restrictions or preferences within your family. If someone needs a gluten-free option, simply swap pasta for zucchini noodles or rice. For those avoiding meat, plant-based meatballs are readily available and just as delicious. You can easily scale recipes up or down, making it perfect for a cozy dinner for two or a larger family gathering. This approach also encourages creativity, allowing you to use up ingredients you already have, reducing food waste and saving money. It's a truly budget-friendly way to eat well. This strategy is about empowering you to create diverse, flavorful meals without the usual stress. It's about making healthy choices accessible and enjoyable for everyone at the table. So, what have we learned today? Meatball magic is more than just a collection of recipes. It's a comprehensive strategy for stress-free weeknight dinners. It's about embracing convenience without sacrificing flavor or quality, and making the most of your time in the kitchen. The core elements for success are simple. Embrace the convenience of store-bought meatballs as your versatile protein base. Focus on quick, easy, and nutritious sides that complement your meal. And finally, utilize flavorful sauces to personalize and elevate every dish. By following these principles, you'll consistently create delicious, satisfying meals that everyone will enjoy. You'll find yourself with more time to relax, connect with your family, and savor the moments around the dinner table. This approach truly transforms the dinner experience. Our ultimate goal is to help you ditch the dinner dilemma for good. With Meatball Magic, you're not just cooking, you're unlocking a world of possibilities, making every weeknight dinner a win. So go ahead, embrace the magic, and enjoy the delicious results.